Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in beautiful, hot Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, or Las Vegas Boulevard as it's properly known as. We're going to check out the TI, or what's formerly known as the Treasure Island. Haven't been here in a while. We want to check the place out, see what changes, if any, have come around here at this hotel and casino. I stayed here a couple years ago, and this is one of my more favorite value hotel and casinos here in the Las Vegas Strip. It's a toss-up between this one and the Flamingo, but if you're looking for a good value, the TI is a great place to stay. Nice and clean, friendly staff, good restaurants, fantastic location. Well, I guess the location's okay. It's kind of on the northern side, but regardless, for the price, the TI is a good value. The TI has close to 2,900 rooms and 220 suites. It's connected by tram to the Mirage, which you'll see later in this video, as well as a pedestrian bridge to the Fashion Show Mall, which is a huge shopping mall here on the Las Vegas Strip. Very convenient to the TI. It's great if you need to pick up a couple things. It's right next door. And the whole complex is owned and operated by Phil Ruffin. The TI used to have a pirate show here nightly, a free pirate show for those walking by on the Las Vegas Strip, but they stopped doing it several years ago in their attempt to stop being a kids or family-themed or pirate-themed hotel and casino. Themed casinos being pretty much a thing of the past. I know there's still a lot of them out there on the Las Vegas Strip, but new ones coming up pretty much don't have a theme. And the Treasure Island, or the TI as it's now known, is trying to shed that past theme of theirs, that pirate theme. So no more pirate shows here. However, the ships and the water fountains are still outside for you to enjoy as you walk by. Two of the restaurants you'll notice as you walk by the TI are Señor Frog's and Gillies. Gillies, actually, I did a video on that, I'm going to say about a month and a half ago. Fantastic burger I had there, fantastic meal as a matter of fact, and if you want to check that video out, it is available here on the New York channel. But enough about the outside, let's head on inside and see what changes have come around. Again, it's been a while since I've been here, let's check it out, shall we? As I'm editing this video, it's come to my attention that although I've stayed here, I stayed here for about a week, I'm going to say about a year and a half, 2 years ago, and I visited dozens of times, and it's been featured on the New York channel at least 3 or 4 times, I don't think I've ever gambled at the TI. I know I have a chip because I collect chips, but I don't think I've actually gambled, and I'm sorry for that, TI. Next time I'm in town, I'm stopping at one of those tables or one of those slot machines and dropping some coin on you. We're coming upon the interior entrance to Gillies, and like I said, I did a restaurant review here about a month and a half ago. It's available here on the New York channel. Also going way back about 2 years ago, I did a line dance lesson video here at Gillies. Had a great time. Good food, good people. If you're in town, check Gillies out. Probably one of the most underrated burger joints here on the Las Vegas Strip. The Gillies in Houston, I'm not sure if it's the original Gillies or not, but Mickey Gilly, by the way, just passed away several months ago. But the Gillies in Houston was featured in the movie Urban Cowboy with John Travolta. And it's a good movie. It's basically an hour-and-a-half commercial for Gillies, but it's very entertaining. If you get a chance, check it out on Netflix or Prime. This here's the lobby store, the TI lobby store. Let's go inside and check it out, shall we? This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. I remember when I checked into the TI about 2 years ago, I used my $20 sandwich. That's when you slip a $20 bill in between the driver's license and credit card when they ask you for those, and you ask for a complimentary upgrade. And it really got me far here at the TI. Again, I only do this in Vegas because I'm here for like a week. I don't do, a lot of you guys ask me if I do that in Atlantic City. I don't, because I'm only there for a night, so it doesn't make any sense. But here at the TI, it got me a high room with a strip view, a bottle of champagne, early check-in, a late checkout. That $20 went really far. So again, if you're thinking about doing it, it's not going to hurt. Sometimes it doesn't work. I have to tell you though, every time I did that, I got an upgrade. So just letting you guys know. We just passed a coffee shop, and this is Phil's Steakhouse, which offers an eclectic menu sure to please everyone at the table, from prime cuts of meat and mouth-watering seafood to classic Italian specialties. Phil's Steakhouse's daily dinner specials are perfection in every bite. Private dining is also available for parties up to 40 people.
Yeah, hi, I don't have a reservation, but I was wondering if you had a table for 40 available.
This is the Golden Circle Sportsbook and Bar here at the TI, and it's recently been redesigned, and I'm not aware of any other sportsbook here on the Las Vegas Strip that integrates food, drink, and sports as well as the TI. It's one integrated entity where you can bet, watch, eat, drink, all in one place, where it seems like most of the other sports books you have to, bet in one place and watch the game or whatever it is you're watching in another area, and if you want some food or drink or something, you have to go to another area of the sports book. This is like you sit down, you bet, you watch the game, you eat, you drink, all in one spot. Pretty cool concept. Actually, I shouldn't say you can bet from the table. Obviously, you have to go up to either a kiosk or the desk to place a bet, but once that bet is placed, you pretty much can enjoy everything from one chair. This is the Seafood Shack, and this was the very first hiding place for Mitzi on one of my very early Las Vegas videos. I think I picked Mitzi up at the Walgreens across the street, and I hit her here at the Seafood Shack, one of the very first times she showed up in one of my videos. Mitzi and I return here every year to celebrate our anniversary, and we come to the Seafood Shack because, well, quite frankly, chicken and duck are out of the question, so we have fish. The TI is home to Cirque du Soleil's Mystere show, which I caught about a year ago, had a great time. I've caught several Cirque du Soleil shows here in the past couple of years, and they've never disappointed. If you're in town for more than a day or two, I suggest you definitely check out one of their shows. A little bit pricey, but you won't be disappointed. I feel like no trip is complete without checking out one of their shows. Great for the entire family, and it's very immersive. They definitely check out or take over the entire venue. It's not just like a stage show. It's pretty awesome. I'd suggest you check it out. Hey you, are you enjoying this video? I'm hoping you are, and if you are, why not hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up? As I've always said, it does help the channel out, and quite frankly, it motivates me and gets me out of bed in the morning. And I always said the best way to start the day is getting out of bed, so why not subscribe? When I stayed here, like I said, about, 2 years ago, I ordered downstairs. I called them up. By the way, I never used a phone in the hotel room. Has anyone ever used one of those? In all my years of traveling, I never picked up the phone on the table of the hotel room. I always use my cell phone. But in any event, I called up for a small pie at the pizzeria. I was just exhausted. And you know what? It's a great idea if you're in Vegas and you're just tired. Maybe you want to take a disco nap, you order a pizza downstairs, because most of the places that you stay at have a pizzeria downstairs. By the time you get down there, it's almost ready. You bring it up to your hotel room, and you're pretty much set for the night as far as food's concerned. And anything left over, if you happen to have an empty refrigerator in your room, it's a great place to keep it in. Of course, you can always warm it up with that iron or blow dryer in the morning. Just ask the pizzeria for some sheets of foil. They'll be happy to oblige. The entrance to the pool is right here in this area, but you're not going to see it today because I'm not staying here today, but you can check out the earlier video where I do a room tour and pool tour here at the TI. Hold on tight. We're heading upstairs now where there's a couple of shops up here as well as the tram that goes to the Mirage. I have a video here on the New York channel of that tram ride. It also gives you a great view of some tropical foliage here in, of course, the desert where you least expect tropical foliage, as well as the TI pool. The New York channel now has a new feature called Super Thanks. If you're watching this video, just look a little bit below the video and hopefully normally where you click on that thumbs up, look a little bit to the right and you'll see a new button that says Thanks. Clicking on that Thanks button will give you, the viewer, the opportunity to leave a very colorful and noticeable highlighted comment on the video that you're watching, which will be pinned to the top of all other comments. And as my personal thanks to you, you'll receive a one-time animation while you're watching this video above the video, as again, personal thanks from me to you for giving me a super thanks. And of course, super thanks aren't required. They're just a great way to show me and others who are watching these videos how much you like to support the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.